At this guy's crib, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna introduce me to his stuff, you know what I mean? So, let's take and observe this.
Boy, Ceejay. Because you're charming with pain. More than you now. Tell you what, so what I use a trap, I'm on a low. So that's charming. Born at that. Slinky daily. Yeah, sure. Fairly young born and I'm better mean, sir. Nothing more.
Sure.
You must have saw it. Now it's a shower, boy. Touch a shower, touch a shower. Yeah, boy. You shower. So what are you, boy? So what are you? Very charming to shower. The kitchen then I'm having a fire no man so hard.
It's so sorry for this.
No, I'm garden boy.
Yeah. Garden boy, I pick it up.
It's all like you, boy. Change that. Needs a man nutrition. You look pain.
Oil.
Could leg, sweat, yeah, sharp.
Push his egg, pay.
Push his sweat. Ngambangale antoclinana ngalungisanga kahle.
Say fridge la kule show.
Wami ke la fridge lami lethi.
Right.
Yabona no.
Got it clean, very clean.
Kade nese spring cleaning no fridge ngakhipha yonke into. Yabona no na into ngishaya ntambama.
Sure, done.
Yeah.
Shani, need a bag, sure.
Kulega sande wayindele akusela semzansi fake.
Oil.
Lo wayindele landa kudini kabi yabo. And then
it's like Freddy.
Baby mayifikile yabo.
Sure.
Kulega charming into yami.
Sure, please. Ngale le side petse ngala skok.
Lana
Kle side ngala le fit.
Nyama. Kweli nyama kuphela boy.
Ola boy.
Phekile inyama icava. Phekile inyama. Yabo. Khuleka.
Igali yathi Ceejay, all.
Khuleka. Bona la ngidala khona yi. Isa yi mhlambi lesa. Nansi ne PC. Shaya PC. Shang ngalesitulo lesi sika 18,000.
Shu, sika malini?
18,000 sa.
Ola.
Ngithatha kancane. Zwana.
Say isebenzi zakho ke manje.
Ngabona yi.
Sure.
Camera lengane zami. Ukali ngipowulele kanje embedeni.
Yeah, boy. Sure, Karin boy. Oil.
Esan kusomela uvuke baba. Kusebenzini lana.
Icaba direct.
Zwakala yini sokuchengisa ke. Lana intwana sami yabona nje sinokungcolisa mabe yabo. Kodwa nje khuleka. Na intwana sami ngayithengela.
Oh, ikhabathele yakho leli.
Ikhabathele intwana yami lana. Intwana yami ngifuna igqokise kwe time adibonile kwa time ukuthi kunjani mfethu.
Sure.
Yabo. Ngiyayithengela nje yonke into.
Plus. Icaba direct.
Khuleka ngami. Yabo. Ihlala neThekwini yakhe.